This miracle tree could make you $50,000 per year, but nobody knows about it. Have you been researching sustainable investments for the past 2 years for your farm? Most people have just discovered a tree that grows 15 feet in 1 year, generates multiple income streams, and could literally save the planet. But most people know nothing about it. Yes, the crazy part. 99% of people have never even heard of it. In the next 10 minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how this miracle tree called Paulownia could transform your financial future while fighting climate change. And by the end of this video, you'll understand why smart investors are quietly planting thousands of these trees right now. Section 1. The problem most people don't see. Here's what most people don't realize about our current situation. While everyone's talking about crypto and stocks, there's a massive crisis happening right under our noses. Climate change is accelerating, traditional investments are becoming more volatile, and inflation is eating away at our savings. But what if I told you there's an investment that actually gets more valuable as these problems get worse? Most people think you need to choose between making money and saving the planet. That's completely wrong. The smartest investors I know are already positioning themselves for what's coming next, and it has nothing to do with technology or real estate. Section 2. The Paulownia Discovery. This tree is called Paulownia, and it's about to blow your mind. First, let me show you why this isn't just another get-rich-quick scheme. In China, they've been using Paulownia for over 1,000 years. But here's what's changed. The global demand for sustainable solutions has exploded. Here are the facts that made me obsessed with this tree. Growth speed. While oak trees take 50 to 100 years to mature, Paulownia reaches harvest size in just 7 to 10 years. Some varieties grow 15 to 20 feet in a single year. That's faster than bamboo. Carbon absorption. One Paulownia tree absorbs 10 times more CO2 than traditional trees. With carbon credits now selling for $50 plus per ton, this isn't just environmental, it's profitable. Multiple revenue streams. This is where it gets interesting. You don't just sell the wood once. You can harvest it every 5 to 7 years because it regrows from the same root system. Plus, you're earning carbon credits the entire time. But here's the part that shocked me most. Section 3. The hidden profit potential. I found farmers making $5,000 to $15,000 per acre annually from Paulownia. Let me break down exactly how. Revenue stream number 1, timber sales. High-quality Paulownia lumber sells for $3,000 to $8,000 per acre every 7 years. It's used for furniture, musical instruments, and surfboards. The wood is lighter than pine, but stronger than oak. Revenue stream number 2, carbon credits. Each tree generates $200 to $500 in carbon credits over its lifetime. These payments come automatically as the tree grows. Major corporations like Microsoft and Shell are buying these credits. Revenue stream number 3, government incentives. The U.S. offers up to $50 per ton of CO2 stored through the 45Q tax credit. Many states provide additional subsidies for reforestation. Some programs pay you just to plant the trees. But wait, there's more. Revenue stream number 4, biomass energy. Paulownia can be harvested for biofuel production. Energy companies pay $80 to $120 per ton for biomass. This creates another income stream every 3 to 5 years. One farmer in Kentucky told me he's making more from his 10-acre Paulownia plot than his neighbor makes from 100 acres of corn. Section 4. Why now? The perfect storm. Here's why this opportunity won't last forever. Factor number 1, corporate ESG requirements. New regulations require companies to offset their carbon emissions. They're desperately buying carbon credits, driving prices up 300% in the last 2 years. Factor number 2, supply shortage. There simply aren't enough fast-growing trees to meet demand. Traditional reforestation takes decades. Paulownia delivers results in years. Factor number 3, climate urgency. Governments worldwide are offering massive incentives for carbon sequestration projects. The EU just announced $1 trillion in green investments. Factor number 4, blockchain verification. New technology allows real-time tracking of carbon absorption, making these investments more transparent and valuable than ever. The smart money is already moving. I found investment funds quietly buying thousands of acres for Paulownia plantations. Section 5, Getting Started Now. You might be thinking, this sounds too good to be true, or I don't have land. Here's the reality. You have several options. Option 1, direct investment. If you have 1 to 5 acres, you can plant Paulownia yourself. Initial investment, $2,000 to $5,000 per acre. Expected return, $50,000 plus over 10 years. Option 2, partnership programs. Several companies let you invest in their Paulownia farms. You provide capital. They handle everything. You split profits. Option 3, carbon credit funds. You can buy into funds that specifically invest in fast-growing tree projects like Paulownia. The key is starting now, because trees planted today will be generating income in 3 to 5 years, not 30 to 50 years like traditional forestry. Section 6, the risks. I'm not going to lie to you. There are risks. Paulownia can be invasive in some climates, use sterile hybrids. Market prices for lumber can fluctuate. Climate events can damage crops. Paulownia will grow back. Regulations around carbon credits may change. But here's what I realized. These risks are tiny compared to the risks of doing nothing while inflation destroys traditional savings. Call to action. Look, I can't make this decision for you, but I can tell you this. In 10 years, you'll either be thanking yourself for getting into sustainable investments early or kicking yourself for missing the opportunity. The farmers and investors I talked to all said the same thing. I wish I had started sooner. If you want to learn more about specific Paulownia investment opportunities, I've put together a free resource guide with everything you need to know. The link is in the description below. And if this video opened your eyes to sustainable investing like it did for me, make sure to subscribe because I'm diving deep into other hidden opportunities that could change your financial future. What do you think? Are you ready to plant the seeds of your financial freedom? Let me know in the comments below. Go to bioeconomysolutions.com and schedule your private briefing call today to learn more.